Sekarang ni semua nampak skrin cikgu? Ke ada yang blur ni? Sekejap ni.
Nampak tu.
Alright.
Nampak.
Okay. Today we are gonna recap about chemical equation. Like last week we already learned chemical equation, but today teacher want to recall back on your understanding. Okay. And also today, Sir will conduct the class in English. Okay, everyone?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Okay. Now, teacher want to test about quality and quantity. Okay. As you can see here, teacher has wrote an balanced equation. This equation is already balanced. Okay. Now, we are gonna see the aspect of quality and also quantity. Now, in the matter of quality, can I have someone say something about the terms of quality? What is it about the quality in the equation? Anyone? Or I want to call anyone. Yeah, let me call somebody. Okay. In the Google Meet we have Kuratul Ain. Is Kuratul Ain here? Kuratul Ain. Ain. Oh, Ain. Okay. Hello. Allah. Okay, anybody else? Okay lah, never mind, teacher will explain lah a bit. Okay, so quality, in terms of quality, we can determine the reactants and the products in an equation, and in the reactant we can know the substance that are present in the reactant and also the substance that are present in the product. So now I want somebody to determine which one is reactant and which one is product. Oh, yeah. Okay. Can I have somebody determine which side is reactant and which side is product? This is left side, this is right side. So in the Na plus Cl2 side, what is it? Reactant or product?
Reactant.
Reactant.
Alright.
Reactant.
Alright. So the left side is the reactant. At the right side,
Product.
Product.
product. Okay, that is the aspect of quality. Okay, now we want to now know the quantity. What is the quantity? Quantity is the composition of atoms in the equation. What is meant by composition? It means by the number of atoms that present either in reactant or product. You see, now there is coefficient. Okay, after this I will explain about coefficient. Okay, on to the next slide. Okay, the summary of the above statement. See, quality, reactants and product present in the chemical equation. Like just now we know what element or what substance are present in reactant and product. And now quantity, stoichiometry of chemical equation. I highlighted the term stoichiometry. See, stoichiometry, ratio between reactants and products in a chemical equation. Okay, now relate back to coefficient. Coefficient is the number that we put in front of a formula. See, like 2 and here 2. Cl2 here is not a coefficient. This is a called subscript. Subscript we did not put there, but it is already there, like O2, Cl2, H2. That one is called subscript. Coefficient here is the number that we write in front of the formula. Okay. Is there any question until here?
No.
No. So can proceed, yeah?
Can.
Alright. Okay. Remember this term, ratio between reactants and product in a chemical equation, in a chemical reaction. By ratio meaning that 2 and A must react with Cl2, 1 Cl2 to produce 2 NaCl. That is meant by ratio. 2 Na plus 1 Cl2 creates or produces 2 NaCl. Like that ratio. Okay. Now we are going to move to balancing the equation. Okay. Here I provided what is that? Wait, there is a mistake here. Okay. Now I already provided a unbalanced equation, but first I will balance it. I will show the demonstration again. So what do we have in the screen? Here we have the reactant and also its components, its substances in the reactant, and the also here product, the same. Here the circle thing here, I will act as a
Atom.
atom, the number of atom that will present either in reactant or product. Okay. Now I will explain. Okay. At zinc, okay, the presence of zinc, we have one atom only.
Atom.
Yes. At HCl, we have one H
Cl.
and one Cl. Two only because HCl. Okay. At zinc,
1,
one.
2,
Alright.
2
2
Cl.
Cl.
Okay.
Plus 2H.
H2, 2H.
Okay. 2H. Okay. Is the equation already balanced?
No,
No. Okay.
No.
we must put 2H.
We go slow. Zinc in the reactant we have one, correct? Okay.
Chlorine is one.
Chlorine
Chlorine
also
has
one.
plus
Hydrogen.
1.
Hydrogen 1.
Also 1.
Okay. At product
Zinc 1.
1,
1,
Chloride 2.
Chloride
2,
2,
Hydrogen
Hydrogen 2,
Hydrogen gas 2.
2. Chloride. Yeah. I want to say chlorine lah. Sorry, not chloride. Chlorine. Okay. Now not balanced, right? So what
Yes.
do we do first? Never mind. Okay,
Balance it.
balance it, right? Okay, first we look at zinc. Zinc is a metal. Okay, like I said, metal you must see first. Now zinc is already balanced. Already one zinc, one zinc. So we no need to disturb, no need to kacau. Okay, already okay. Now we look at the non-metal. Non-metal like chlorine. Okay, Cl2, Cl. So at reactant we got one chlorine. At the product we got 2 chlorine. So we need to balance. So we try put 2 here.
Dua.
Okay.
Itu.
Yeah, 2. Okay, 2. So now look again. Now we see the number of atoms back. So H got
2H, 2,
2. Okay, Cl also got 2.
2.
Okay, already 4 here.
Yes,
And balance.
Sure, balance.
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So we wrote back here. Chlorine got 2,
2.
hydrogen also 2.
Hydrogen also
Two.
got 2.
Okay,
Balance.
alright, balance. Okay, now for the second. This one I want you all to try. What is
And oxygen
can
4.
Okay, I give
Itu.
you about 5 minutes to try. Can
Okay.
Alright. This one I just put first.
The so that we oxygen Second
2 minutes more.
push and push
Okay, it's already 10:05. So, can I have the answer?
NO
Set.
plus 2
the zinc
HNO
oxide
Ah,
2HON3
zinc
plus
oxide.
2NO3
2H and O3.
2H
Okay, okay, one
2
by one. ZNO you put how many?
and
No, no
Tak,
need, no need,
je,
no
one
need,
more
no need to,
tak ada apa-apa.
no need to put.
one
Nothing,
more
Okay,
nothing different.
okay, nothing different. Okay, here at HNO3
2
We add
Uh,
2.
add 2.
2
2.
we put 2. Okay,
Yes.
okay, we put 2. at ZnNO3 bracket 2?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, nothing. At H2O?
Same.
Nothing.
Same.
Same.
Okay, we check we check
Okay.
Okay, we check. Okay, 2. 2H. Okay. Okay, oxygen is 3, so
6.
6.
3 times 2, 6.
Alright. At nitrogen times 2. We
Two.
got
2.
yes. Okay. Now we see here back. Zinc still 1.
1.
Okay, oxygen
Mm,
7.
7.
okay 7. At hydrogen
2.
2.
nitrogen
Nitrogen also 2.
Okay, then we compare at the right side. It's the same, right? Okay,
Yes.
nice
Yes.
one. It's balanced. Okay, now we go to the next step. Okay, again, this one is a bit tricky. Come on. This one also teacher will give about 5 minutes.
1,
10,
8,
10, 12.
kena sama 1, 1. Okey. Jadi ada 1 seimbang. Lepas tu tengok oksigen. Oksigen ada 6. Belah sana ada 1. Di sana 5. Okey, sebentar. Kita letak 2 TB. 2 TB tu. Nitrogen 1, 2, 3 nitrogen. Okey. Siap. Belum. Sampai sini. Ini kat sini.
Okay, 3 minutes more. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, it's already 10, 12. Okay, we try first. Okay. Oh, oh never mind. Okay je. We see, we can compare. There is no wrong. Don't worry. Okay. Here I wrote some of your friends' answer that they give in the chat. Oh, never mind. Okay. We see first, and then we compare. Okay. Here you can see lead in the reactant have one atom, and also at product one. Okay, hold first. Now we go to nitrate, NO3 bracket 2. At nitrogen we got 6. Okay, nice. 6. Nitrogen here we got 1. Okay. At oxygen we got 6 because O3 bracket 2. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, until here everyone can get
Can cikgu.
Can.
wait, got wrong here. Yeah. Okay, now the equation is not balanced, right? Okay, now like I said, we consider first the metal. Both metal are one atom, so leave it first. Now we go and check nitrogen. Is nitrogen on both sides balanced?
No.
Okay, what do we do first?
No.
Add 2 at
We must put
NO2.
2.
NO2. Okay, first we put
Ah.
I don't know.
2.
2.
okay, we put 2 there. Okay, now
And
okay, now the nitrogen increased by 2 and oxygen increased by
2.
oxygen here is 2, right? Then we put 2 here. Now we have
2.
sure
7.
4 ada.
And
4.
4.
4. Okay, now the oxygen total
Ada
number
7.
7.
7.
Sure. Okay, 7. Okay, 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we check back for, we check again. Still not balanced, right?
But it's still not balanced.
Yes.
Still. Add 2 at the front.
Add 2 at the front where?
Add 2 at the PB.
PB.
PB
Add
in
2.
bracket NO3
Okay.
Lambda nitric.
on the left side.
Okay. Left side. Okay. Now we double all
And
of
then
them.
add 2 at the PB.
PB what?
Same to the BBO.
To the PBO.
Okay, PBO.
At the PB. Those 2. And then 2 NO become 4 NO2.
Huh? Here for NO2. Okay. Never mind, we check.
Yeah.
Okay. For NO2. Okay. First, we go slow by slow. Okay. So, Allah. PB of course increased by 2. Okay. 2 here. Okay. Nitrogen. By from 2 they increase about 2.
4.
4. Okay.
4.
Okay. Oxygen from 6 they will increase to
12.
yes.
12.
12. Same goes for here. PB will increase by 2.
2 PB, 2 O.
2 PB, 2 O.
Okay. Okay, nitrogen we got 4.
4.
Become 4.
O2 will
Become
become
8.
8. Okay. Now we one by one first. PB we got here 2. Product also 2. Okay, done. At oxygen, here we got 12.
12.
Here also 12. Yeah,
12.
we check first. We check first. 1, 2, 6, 8. Sure. 8, 4. Okay. Correct. Nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen we got 4, right?
Nitrogen 4.
Okay, nitrogen here 4. Nitrogen here also 4. Okay.
That 4 too.
Alright. So the balance, right? Okay, now we check. So at Irfan, we have 2 PbO and O2 plus O2. Okay. A bit mistake only at here, Irfan and also Fatin, but you already correct it already, right? Okay, never mind. Nice try. Okay, Fatin and Irfan boleh boleh pula. Can get this equation.
Boleh cikgu.
Alright.
Can.
Okay. Then I want to stress in about one thing. There is always one misconception that I saw in the module that the work that I give you before. Like I take example for PB and O3 too. Okay. Here. Okay. Because sometimes when I see the module, sometimes student always think this here, this subscript, this one, remember again, this number 2 here is subscript. Okay. Sometimes I see that you always relate these two with PB. Okay, now we see the number of atom first. PB 1, N is 2. Okay. Oxygen is 6.
Oh,
6.
oxygen 6.
Okay. Okay, 6. Okay. Wait, Okay, this is the actual count for the number of atoms in this formula, but sometimes in the module I always see that you will take like PB with 2. So in the equation, in the understanding, you will put like here, lead will become 2 in the module sometimes. So it's a mistake, because the 2 here is only for NO3 bracket 2. That's why there is a bracket, so that the 2 here is only for the NO3 bracket. Okay, until here everyone can understand?
Can.
Cikgu.
Can.
Okay.
Can.
Okay, now we go to the last equation. Okay, this equation is actually the hardest, because it's also one of the equation that I take from the module. Okay, never mind. Sometimes in a equation we have to try and error. Try and error means that we try first, if wrong we try again. Don't worry, chemistry is try. Okay, let's go one by one. Aluminium, we got how many?
1.
Okay, 1. Okay, nitrogen.
Nitrogen 3.
3.
3.
3. 3.
Okay, I think this one I want to try to stop using the circle because too many. Serabut. Okay, yeah?
Okay, boleh. Okay.
Okay, never mind.
It's
Okay.
okay.
It's okay, yeah? Okay, aluminium we got 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, oxygen we got?
It's 9.
3.
9.
9.
9, 9, 9.
9.
Okay,
9.
9. Nitrogen?
3.
3.
3. Okay, product?
Aluminium 2.
Okay, 2.
Oxygen
Oxygen?
3.
Oxygen
7.
7.
Yeah, oxygen is 7 because O3 plus O2 plus
O3,
O2.
O2,
Oh, yeah.
nitrogen 1.
Nitrogen 1.
1. Nitrogen 1.
Nitrogen
Oxygen
1.
Oh, okay, nitrogen 1. Okay, BCIB. Okay, now what do we do first? We see the metal first, metal, logam. Al2. See here Al2. So at the product we have 2 aluminium and at Al we have 1 aluminium, right? Okay. So we just try to put 2 here. Never mind. Just put 2. Okay, just try and error. Okay. Now the number of atom has changed from aluminium into
2.
2, right? Oxygen?
Oxygen
18.
18.
Okay. 3 times 3 times 3 9
9.
times 2
18.
18.
okay 18. Nitrogen okay
6.
okay 6 lah.
6.
Okay, aluminium here stays the same. Okay, all the same, right?
Yes.
But still not
Yes.
balanced, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So now okay, now we see the aluminium already balanced. Now we see other product. Okay, like nitrogen first. Nitrogen here we got 6.
6.
Okay, here we got 1. So let's try and put 6. Never mind. Try and error first. 6. Okay. The number of nitrogen now becomes 6. Oxygen
12.
Oxygen
1,
30.
2, 3, 18.
okay. So 12 here 12
Yeah.
plus
Plus
2
plus
14.
12 plus
17.
7.
17.
Yeah, 17.
17.
17.
Okay. It's already close but cannot. Still 17 and 18. So still cannot.
Shit.
Okay. What we do now? Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Buat lama
6 and 2.
Okay.
sikit.
Now we already see like this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now we see at the at the product which element which of the element have odd number.
Tu aluminium.
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oxygen, right? Okay. Now we try to even the odds. Okay? Okay. We try to even by of
Two.
course we put 2 ah.
2. Because 2 aluminium.
Okay, 2. Now aluminium has
4.
4.
4, right? Okay. Now we put here first 4. Now the number of oxygens turns into here O3
6.
6 plus
Plus 12. 18.
okay 6 plus 12 18. 18 plus 2 20.
20.
Okay, never mind. We just put okay.
Dia tak balance.
Not yet balanced, right? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now we see again. Now we look again at the both of the product and reactant. Aluminium here has 2
2.
and the product now has 4.
4.
Yes.
So
Put 4.
to balance the aluminium we put 4. Just now 2, now we put 4. Okay. At the reactant it will increase
4.
to 4, right?
4.
4.
Okay, oxygen.
Oxygen 20.
Oxygen 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 4.
30,
36.
36, 36.
36.
Okay, 36. Nitrogen and
12.
12.
okay,
12.
4 times 3, 12. Okay, leave it at B there. Okay,
So,
okay now.
Change 6 to 12.
6 to 12.
6 to
6 to 12.
okay, sebab there is 1 n, there is 6 n. Here got 12 n. So we just try first. Wait, okay, okay, now we got 12 nitrogen.
12 nitrogen and
12 times 2.
24.
24.
Okay, 24.
40.
First 20.
Yeah.
Allah silap. Okay, 12 times 2 got 24 oxygen, right?
24.
Okay, 24. Okay, now
24
we
plus
24 plus.
macam
Yeah.
Plus 6 plus
plus
2.
plus the others oxygen.
Oh yeah.
22.
Itu tu.
Now 22.
Now got 22 oxygen.
Ah,
Okay.
Yes.
22 oxygen. Okay. Correct ah. Wait ah. 12 times 2, 24.
add 3 to O2.
Sure.
24.
Add 3 at there.
Wait ah. We slow first ah. Okay ah.
32.
Okay. Now we got 2 Al2O3. Okay. Oxygen first ah. We see oxygen. Oxygen here at the Al2O3 we got 6.
6.
Okay. Wait ah. Teacher put 6 oxygen. Okay, 6 oxygen. Now at here we have how many oxygen?
24.
Okay, 24.
24.
Okay, 24 oxygen. Here we got, of course we got 2 oxygen, right? Okay.
Yes.
So the total oxygen in the equation now how many?
32.
32.
Okay.
32.
32.
Okay, 32. Okay ah. Slow ah.
We
Okay.
put 4 oxygen.
3.
Put 3.
Put 3 on
3 on O2.
3 O2.
3 O2 ah. Okay, we put 3.
So
Okay.
that the 2 oxygen
So become 6 oxygen.
6 oxygen.
6 oxygen.
6 plus 6 plus 24 oxygen equals to 36.
Alright. Now the equation is
And
balanced.
balance.
Okay. Okay, see? That's how you balance the equation. Sometimes not bukan sekali harung. Like to say like that. Not to once only you can balance the equation, but you need to try and error sometimes.
Yes.
Okay. Until here everyone can understand.
Can.
Okay.
Yang teacher.
Okay. Now should we proceed to the next? Here are some exercise. I give you about 7 minutes to try, and then we'll discuss. Can ah? Okay.
Okay.
7 minutes starts now. Take paper and calculator. If you want to ask question also can. Don't worry.
Terus. Sleep. Setelah travel outside. Okay. 5 by 6 equal to 56. Jadi cari mol. Satu. Satu dua enam. M. Dua six. Ten. And 0.4 gram. 0.4. Dan
Okay, there is another 4 minutes.
10.4 gram. Right, sir. Dan sir.
Hmm?
Ten point four mol.
Remember the formula that I give you at the WhatsApp, at the Telegram?
60 gram.
Hmm?
60 gram tu sir.
60 gram eh?
Ah.
Okay, never mind. We just put first 60 gram, never mind.
0.1. Berapa? Satu mol.
Cikgu,
Ya, saya.
G tu apa?
G?
Yang ada F2O3G. G tu apa?
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Tak faham.
Yes.
Okay.
Yang S tu pun tak faham.
Okay,
FES.
okay. For now, I want sir want you to focus on the, don't focus on the bracket here first. Focus on the formula first. Okay, the G, the S and the I is not in the equation, but focus on the others first. Okay?
Simple.
Okay, first, okay, let me teacher padamkan. Erase it. Okay.
16. 16 gram.
Okay, this answer who give us just now?
Teacher 16 gram.
Okay, that is okay, 16 gram also. Okay, never mind. 16 gram, who said first? 16 gram? Ifan eh?
Akil.
Okay. 60 gram? 60 ke 16? 16. Okay, never mind. I think I hear 60 gram. Never mind. Just put here. Okay, is there any more answers? Okay, already 7 minutes. Okay. Can sir proceed with the discussion?
Can.
Okay,
Can,
can.
can.
Okay. After this, sir will explain about the LGGS everything. Okay. Look at the equation. Fe2O3 iron 3 oxide plus hydrogen gas, you get iron plus water H2O. So in the question, they ask you to find the mass of iron 3 oxide. Okay, one here. At the question, I already gave you the RAM, relative atomic mass, of iron and oxygen. So hydrogen. Okay, now we go to the calculations. Okay, first, anything also you need to find the number of moles first. Okay, in the question they already gave you 5.6 gram of iron metal, correct? Okay, now here we have, in the equation we have iron. Okay,
I see.
so in the formula to find number of moles from mass, what is the formula to find the number of moles from mass? Remember back from the
Mol,
Mass. Down. RAM.
ulam, mol.
mass over, like mass,
Molar mass.
okay, mass over molar mass, or mass over RAM. Okay, then you will get how many? How many you get?
0.1.
0.1.
Okay, 0.1. 0.1 mole. Okay, nice. Yeah, somebody message you. No. Okay, now we already have 0.1 mole of iron. Okay, now we do the ratio. First, in the equation, 1 mole of iron 3 oxide, which is Fe2O3, gives 2 mole of Fe. Correct? Oh, teacher already balanced the equation. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Okay. Now we look back at the number of mole of Fe back, 0.1 mole. Okay. Here, just now, like teacher said, 1 mole iron 3 oxide give 2 mole of Fe. So, how many mole of iron 3 oxide gives 0.1 mole Fe?
0.05.
0.05. Okay. How do you get 0.05?
Divided by 2.
Divided by 2, right? Because
Yes.
0.1 here go up, 2 go down.
And to
Okay. 0.05 mole iron 3 oxide. Okay, already get. Now
Yes.
now we already get the number of mole for iron 3 oxide. Almost done.
yes.
Now based,
Even mass
okay. Now we find the molar mass, right? Based on the
equation.
equation.
Eh.
Okay lah. Based on the formula lah, Fe2O3 in the equation.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, never mind. So, calculate. You got 160 gram per mole. So, to find the mass of iron 3 oxide, what is the formula?
Mol, darab molar.
More.
Mol darab molar.
Mol darab molar. Okay, mol darab molar. So, how many do you get?
8.
8.
Yeah, the answer is 8, man.
Zero point one.
So Akil, just now which one did you tersilap?
Tak seimbangkan.
Oh, you didn't balance. I forgot.
Hmm.
Sir also wrong. Sir didn't say that the equation is not balanced. Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Oh,
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
another question.
Yes.
Yes. Tak seimbangkan.
Oh, another question. Okay. Okay, now teacher want to explain about the G and the G, G, S, L. Here is L. Here.
Gas.
Okay.
L liquid.
Uh,
Liquid.
Liquid.
Okay.
H2O.
Sekarang H2O. Water.
Okay. Correct.
Solid.
S is
S.
solid.
Solid.
Okay. Okay, now in an equation, you have to put the G, S and L. But now because teacher want to focus on the balance of equation, that's why teacher didn't always put all the G, S, L. What is G, S, L? Wait, teacher right here.
Gas. Solid. Liquid.
Wait,
Cikgu boleh tak terang balik
Boleh.
soalan tu?
Boleh. Nanti cikgu terangkan. Kasih.
State of matter.
Cikgu, kalau dalam
Ya.
soalan dia kecak. Cikgu.
Ya.
Allah.
Kalau dalam memang dia akan cakap memang dia akan cakap equation tu tak seimbang.
No.
Memang dia akan cakap ke?
Tak. No. Dia takkan cakap. Dia kadang-kadang memang takkan cakap.
Okay.
Tapi-
Tapi mas.
Tu sebab kena sentiasa check. Tapi tu lah cikgu
Oh.
lupa nak cakap tadi.
Okay.
Okay.
L.
Okay, teacher.
Alright.
Aqueous. Apa?
Aqueous. Oh, ada aqueous ni. Aqueous ni, let me tell you after this .
AK.
Aquos.
Water.
Okay. States of matter. Everyone know what is states of matter?
Jirim.
Okay, of course jirim, right? Okay, jirim.
Yes.
States of matter.
That's
States of matter is what, apa rupa formula, apa rupa bahan tersebut dalam bentuk apa, in what form is the formula, is what form of the substance, like H2O. H2O of course we see every day in the form of
Liquid.
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 Okay, liquid. Okay, another example, let's say NaCl, the salt in our house, we see in the form of,
Solid.
Solid.
okay, solid. Okay,
Oxygen gas.
oxygen,
Gas.
gas. Hydrogen also gas.
Yes.
Okay, this one we will learn at the next chapter. We will learn overall chapter, like aqueous we will learn in electrochemistry, and also molten. Aqueous, it is like, okay, remember NaCl? Wait, teacher put NaCl.
Salt.
Then teacher use another slide lah.
Cl.
Tengok. Okay, NaCl. Okay, NaCl, what is the cation? Okay, the cation is Na plus, then Cl minus. If you refer
Yes.
to the book, right, to the jadual, to the table.
Yes.
Okay, aqueous here, aqueous
Okay.
is where NaCl is put in water. if NaCl is put in water, they will exist as both Na plus and Cl minus. This one teacher will explain little bit first lah, and then the next chapter teacher will explain more. This one just nak bagi tahu je lah. So itu je tujuan dia. Okay, dapat ah?
Dapat.
Okay, this one
Can.
relax first. Okay, now teacher will explain again about the question. Okay, answers.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher will explain. A sample of iron 3 oxide Fe2O3 is heated in a steam of excess hydrogen gas H2 to produce 5.6 gram of iron metal. Ni. So 5.6 gram ni. Macam ni cakap. Sample
Mass.
Yalah, mass untuk iron ni kan. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. In a question, sometimes the equation that you get is not balanced. Sometimes they say that it is unbalanced, but sometimes they don't. But you have to expect that the balance is sometimes unbalanced. So that's why in an equation you have to look very, very carefully. Okay. Now, first of all, what we must do, we must balance the equation. Okay, like just now. This one I don't want to do the table like this. I want to, never mind, I just do the table lah. Senang sikit. Wait Okay, reactant here. Here is the product. Iron, oxygen and hydrogen. Okay, product. Okay. Okay, for the reactant, we see first. Iron we got 2, right? Oxygen 3, hydrogen 2. Okay. Like I said first, which we must consider the metal first. See. Now both side metal are not balanced. So what do we do first?
Balance. Put 2
Put
2 on Fe.
Okay, put 2 at Fe. Okay. Now we got 2 Fe. Now 2 iron. Okay. Now the one is not balanced is oxygen, because here got 1, here got 3. Okay. What to do? Put here too.
Put 2 at put 2 at H2O.
Okay, put 2 at H2O. Now both hydrogen and oxygen have different number of atoms. Okay. Now we got 4 hydrogen and we got 2 oxygen. Okay, never mind. We try first. Like I said, we try and error. Okay, never mind. Now here oxygen 3, hydrogen 2. Okay.
Put 2 at H2.
Okay, put 2 at H2. Okay, now we got 4 hydrogen.
Hydrogen become 4.
Okay, 4. Still not balanced, right? Because oxygen, right?
Oxygen.
Okay, never mind. Now, what do we do?
We
2H2O tu jadi 3H2O.
Okay, 3H2O, right? Because oxygen here got 3.
3 oxygen.
Okay. 3 oxygen.
3 but hydrogen 6.
6.
We put 3 at hydrogen 2.
Put 3.
3, yes.
3. Oh, 3. Now we got 6 hydrogen.
Balance.
So balance, right?
Yeah.
Okay, done.
Yes.
Okay, macam
Right.
mana. Okay, now we already balance here. Okay, now we proceed. Okay. Okay, number of moles. In the question, they already give you 5.6 gram of iron Fe. This one is also iron metal. Fe. According to the formula. Okay. So from the 5.6 gram of iron here, we calculate the number of moles. In the soalan, in the question already give you the molar mass or RAM. Never mind. This one padam. We put here. Okay. Slow we do. Okay. How did teacher get the 0.1
Okay.
mole? So remember the formula that I give you in Telegram. Wait, teacher search back there. Oh.
Mass over molar mass.
Okay, mass over molar mass, right?
Yes.
Okay. Mass over molar mass. Memang teacher right lah.
Yes.
Okay, molar mass. So, yeah. So the mass which is 0.56 over molar mass of iron which is 56. Okay. Until here everyone can understand.
Oh, can teacher.
Okay.
Can.
So 5.6 gram over 56 gram per mole, you will get 0.1 mole.
We get 0.1.
Okay, that one is clear. Then okay, then from the 0.1 mole, how did teacher get 0.05 mole ferrum 3 oxide, iron 3 oxide? Okay. Now we see the process slowly. No. What teacher did is cannot. Okay, what is meant by this is where I put arrow. 1 mole ferrum oxide give 2 mole of Fe. That is in the equation here. Ayah, macam nak padam. Okay. Okay. 1 mole ferrum in the equation, 1 mole ferrum iron 3 oxide give 2 mole of ferrum here. Ni, 1 mole iron 3 oxide menghasilkan 2 iron. Okay, tu clear. Lepas tu daripada soalan kita dapat 0.1 mole yang ini. So daripada 0.1 mole Fe ni berat
Darat silang.
kena buat darat silang. That one is the ayat darat silang. Okay, teacher just put the arrow. Then here
Oh.
see the arrow here, 0.1 mole Fe go up, and then the tanda soal go up also. So bila darat silang, you will get 0.05 iron 3 oxide. Can Boleh dapat?
Can.
Okay, cannot war. So remember, and then after you got the 0.05 mole iron trioxide, which is the number of mole of the iron trioxide, we can get the mass by using the formula. Remember, mass equals to number,
Mass
yeah,
in number more.
yeah. Okay, this one can get So you need to remember the formula. I think I already sent at the telegram the picture. So number of mole 0.05 mole x.
Times
Times
this mass molar.
160 or 160.
We got 8 gram.
8 gram.
You get 8 gram. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Now the last question. Until here everyone can get understand?
Yeah,
Can
Cikgu 160 tu dekat mana?
160 tu
Ah,
Okay, okay.
RMM.
Okay, never. Teacher explain a bit lah. Okay.
RAM.
Okay. Because kan kita kena cari apa tu berat untuk iron trioxide kan. Okay. Untuk cari berat
Yes.
iron trioxide, kita kena tahu dia punya
Darab.
REM dan RFM. Okay, macam mana cikgu dapat 160 tu? Okay, tengok formula ni. Fe2O3. Yap.
56 times 2 plus 16 times 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Berdasarkan formula ni, okay? Ingat kita cari dia punya REM ataupun molar mass.
Molar.
Okay. Ataupun RFM, relative formula mass. Okay. Fe 56 kan? Okay. Kita buat
Yes.
satu-satu.
56
56
56
times 2
okay.
plus
in bracket
Plus
16
plus 15 times 3
times 3
equal to
6.
116. 116.
160 kan?
60 high.
Okay, dapat?
Yeah.
dapat.
That is correct.
Dapat lah. Okay. Ya, like just now buat asal. Daya Nabila, okay Can get Daya Nabila.
Okay.
Okay. Everybody okay
Yeah.
Okay. Ni
Okay, teacher.
this is the last question lah. This one. Last
Ini
question.
seimbang ke? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Okay, seimbang.
Okay. Also, this equation you need to balance it because this is not balanced equation.
Okay.
Okay. Try. You can ask me.
Okay, I see.
I give you about 7 minutes. Okay.
Okay. Secara pengertian dan yang itu terkena tabulado 1.806 times 10 into 3. Betul itu. Senang. Cikgu, dapat 1.806 darab 20 10 kuasa 23. Lapan kosong enam.
Saya dapat.
Salah. 3.612. Ya. 10.23.
No.
Nope.
Yes.
Yes.
24.
Isi padu gas bagi molar. Bagi molar.
3. 0.3 mole. And then clear. Clear.
Mol and testing. Kena dapat mol. Lepas tu kita darab M. Darab silang bagi dapat dah 0.6. Okay. Zero point six.
0.6.
0.6 mole.
Equal 0.6 times NA.
Times Avogadro
NA.
constant.
0.6 times 6102. 3.612 darab 10 kuasa 23.
Times NA. Avogadro constant. Avogadro 6.02 times 10
and 23.
power of 23. Ya betul.
Dapat.
Dapat. Tak ada.
Apa cikgu?
Dapat. Dapat cikgu.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Cikgu buat video ke buat slide?
Tulis.
Oh, so kalau saya buat slide, saya hantar kat cikgu lah dalam PDF. Oh, alright.
And
Okay, cikgu.
teacher must teacher must in English, right? Must be in English. Okay. Alright. Can.
No, teacher.
Nothing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, teacher.
Kasih cikgu.